These days, we see videos everywhere that get hundreds of thousands, even millions of views in just a few days, from TikTok and Instagram to YouTube Shorts. You might think creating these videos is hard or expensive, but the good news is that with AI, you can easily make the same trending style videos yourself. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 main types of viral videos that have been tested multiple times and gained massive views, and I'll teach you step by step how to create them using free tools. So stay with me until the end of the video. Also, don't worry about the prompts. I've prepared all the prompts in a file in the description section so you can use them. I'll also explain how you can recreate slightly older viral videos, like those luxury cars being crushed by loaders or stones. Viral anime videos. Let's start with the first trending video style, which is currently getting extremely high views on Instagram and TikTok. Most of these videos go viral quickly when paired with trending music, and if you add a little story and creativity, you can also get views and even revenue on YouTube Shorts. The first step is creating the images. Go to the doc file and copy the anime image prompt. This prompt gives you 10 creative ideas in various environments and poses, all in the Ghibli anime style. After copying it, hit enter. As you'll see, ChatGPT starts generating image prompts, and you'll get 10 ready-to-use prompts that you can use to create your images. Now it's time to create the images. I usually start with Leonardo. Just log into the website using your Google account. Leonardo is a powerful tool for image creation and offers many other features, but today we'll focus only on the image generation section. Simply click on Image to enter the image creation area. As you can see, I've already created various images in this style before, and the results were truly amazing. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy one of the prompts. For example, I chose prompt number 4. On Leonardo, you can use any available model. I tested the Lucid Origin model. Leonardo gives you 150 free credits for image creation, which recharge every 24 hours. Paste your prompt in the image generation section, set the size to 9:16, perfect for Reels and TikTok, and click Generate. Within a few moments, the images are ready. The quality is really impressive. But our work isn't finished yet. We can also use the ImageFX tool. This free tool allows you to create new and attractive images. Simply copy your desired prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into ImageFX, and click Create. After a few moments, the images are ready, and you can download them. You're not limited to Leonardo, any other AI image generation tool works as well. Now it's time to turn your images into videos. Go back to the doc file and copy the image to video prompt into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate a video creation prompt for each image that you can use. I use Dreamina to convert images into videos. This advanced tool gives you 120 free credits every 24 hours for video generation. If you need more, you can get a subscription. Set the model to AI video and upload the image you want to convert. Then copy the ChatGPT generated prompt for turning the image into a video. Each generation uses about 50 credits. I set the video length to 10 seconds, and after roughly 1 minute, the video was ready. The result is truly amazing. It looks like a professional animation. Now you can add trending music to the video and post it on TikTok or Instagram. With this style of videos, getting millions of views is possible. The more creative you are, the more engaging your videos will be, and you can easily download your outputs from the download section. Now let's move on to the second trending video style that's absolutely blowing up online. Army sci-fi videos with AI. These videos look like they came straight out of a Hollywood movie. Giant war machines inspired by animals, like mechanical eagles or tanks shaped like scorpions. The cool thing is, you don't need a studio or professional equipment to create these images. You just need to give the AI the right prompt. To create this video, we first need images. So, we go back to the doc file and copy the Army sci-fi image prompt, then paste it into ChatGPT. Immediately, ChatGPT starts generating image creation prompts. These prompts include all kinds of military vehicles and equipment, each one unique. You can also customize them yourself to fit your own ideas. Next, it's time to create the images. For this style, I use Piclumen, which has worked really well for me personally. Simply click on Generate for free and enter the image creation page. From the Create section, you can start generating your images. As you can see, I've already made several images in this style, and the results were fantastic. First, set the size to 9:16 again, then copy the prompt from ChatGPT. After a few moments, the image is generated, with great detail and quality. To test further, I try another prompt, and another image is generated this time, a war machine inspired by a turtle, which looks really cool and unique. Now it's time to turn the images into videos. Go back to the doc file, copy the image to video prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT generates a video creation instruction for each image. To convert images into videos, I use Magi AI. Just log into the site, click on New Project, and then upload your image under Click Here to upload image from your device. Each time you log in, you get 500 free credits for video creation, which is great and allows you to make multiple videos. After uploading your image, copy the prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it in the designated section, then click Generate. In this case, the video took about 4 minutes to render. Yes, the result wasn't exactly what I expected, but it was still good and usable. If the output isn't perfect, you can regenerate it or tweak the prompt a bit. Experience shows that changing the prompt or regenerating can produce different and even more exciting results. Important note, these videos are generated without sound, but adding audio or sound effects can make them much more engaging. To do this, you can go to Pixabay, search in the sound effects section for something appropriate like tank, and add it to your video. This makes your videos feel alive and professional. And now we've reached the final part of our tutorial. Luxury cars being destroyed. These videos were getting millions of views just a few months ago. I think with a bit more creativity, they could have been even more exciting. But even now, they're still really appealing. And if you add your personal touch, you can create unique and engaging videos. To make these videos, we first need images. Go back to the doc file, copy the image prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Immediately, ChatGPT will start generating prompts that feature all kinds of luxurious and eye-catching cars. You simply choose one of them. For example, I selected prompt number 2. Next, we head over to ImageFX and paste the chosen prompt. Set the size to 9:16, which is perfect for Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. After a few seconds, your images are ready, with excellent quality and appeal. You can test another prompt as well, and again, the results are fantastic. Once your images are ready, you can easily download them. Now it's time to turn the images into a video. Search for Google AI Studio on Google and click on the first valid link. From the Generate Media section, select Veo. Then go back to the doc file, copy the video prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT so that it generates a video creation instruction for each image sequence. Next, upload your images to Google AI Studio and paste the instruction in the designated field. Set the size to 9:16 again and click Run. In about a minute, your video will be created. As you can see, the video is silent at this point, but you can make it much more lively and engaging by adding sound effects from sites like Pixabay, for example, searching for car crash to add realistic audio effects to your video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. With this style of content and your own creativity, you can make even better and newer videos. All the prompts I used are in the description, and you can use them too. By adding your own creativity, these videos can get very high views on TikTok, Instagram, and even YouTube Shorts, and they can even make money for you. If this video was helpful for you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your ideas in the comments so I can make more tutorials for you.